Hello and welcome to our new video. To create a calendar in Excel, follow these steps. Select multiple cells at the top of your sheet. Merge them using the Merge and Center button under the Home tab, and type the name of the month into the merged cells. Next, select the cells where you want to create the calendar grid. Right-click on them, choose Row Height, enter 30, and click OK. In the first row beneath your month header, type the days of the week, Sunday, Monday, etc., into each cell across the row. To add color to your cells, select the desired cells. Click on the paint bucket icon under the Home tab and choose your preferred color. Select the entire area where you are creating the calendar. Go to the Home tab, click on the borders icon, and choose the type of borders you want to apply. Then, enter the dates of the month into the corresponding cells. You can further customize your calendar by adding events, notes, or additional color formatting to make it more personalized. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.